Hi guys, without unnecessary words, we will start our Google Ads course from configure and conversion tracking because it's the most important thing in advertising. Running Google Ads campaign can feel like driving blindfolded if you're not tracking conversions. You might be spending a bunch of cash on clicks and views, but you never know if those clicks turning into actual customers. So in other words, conversion tracking is like having a GPS for your ads. It shows you exactly where those clicks lead, whether it's people buying your stuff, signing up for your email list, or whatever your goal might be. With this knowledge, you can fine-tune your campaigns. Imagine pouring more gas on the fire that's actually burning the brightest, instead of wasting fuel everywhere. Conversion tracking helps you focus your budget on the things that are working and ditch the rest. Also, you can create killer ads and landing pages. You will know what kind of message grabs people's attention and get them to take action. Conversion tracking also helps target the right audience. You can stop wasting time on showing your ads to people who wouldn't care less. Conversion tracking helps you reach the people who are most likely to become customers. Plus, conversion tracking lets you see how much return on investment you will have. Remember, conversion tracking isn't just about sales. You can track all sorts of things like phone calls, email signups, or even how many people watch your entire video. This big picture helps you understand how people interact with your brand and optimize your whole marketing strategy. So let's start from connecting your Google Ads account to Google Analytics using only Google Tag Manager. Before we begin, I assume you have already created a Google Tag Manager account and container. Also, you must be able to access the code for your website. To make sure we have connection between website and Google Tag Manager, let's go to tagmanager.google.com. Click on the Tag Manager container you want to edit. In the Workspace tab, select your container ID, which starts from GTM, and paste this code as high in the head of the page as possible. Then paste this code immediately after the opening body tag. If you have WordPress website, it will be even easier because WordPress has plugin which allows you to paste this GTM ID and instantly connect your website to Google Tag Manager. After this, we will create a Google tag which will send data to our analytics property. Let's select the container we want to configure, then open the text menu. And now we have to create a new tag. Enter a name for the tag at the top, for example, Google Tag Configuration. Now we will configure our tag. In the field Tag ID, we have to enter our Google Tag ID for Google Analytics. To find this ID, we have to go to our Google Analytics account, then go to the admin screen. In Data Streams, click on a stream to see details, then click on Configure Tag Options. And your screen should show you the Google Analytics settings and the Google Tag settings which start from JT. Next, we have to set up trigger to load the Google tag when someone loads your website. To ensure that Google tag fires before other triggers, click Triggering and use the Initialization All Pages trigger. Name the tag and save the tag configuration. To make sure your tag works as intended, in your workspace click Preview, then Tag Assistant opens, enter your site's URL. Check if the Google Analytics tag fired successfully. The Tag Assistant UI should look like this. When you are done with debugging, close Preview mode, and in your workspace, click Submit to publish your changes. Now when our Tag Manager container can communicate with our Google Analytics property, we have to add event text to our site.